Oh baby. Gonna be a lot of stunting, so keep an eye out for that on this ride. Just like that. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's EROCKRODZ. And today we're heading over to Battery Park for the NYC MiniRide. This is probably the biggest ride of the year, despite the MiniRide name. There should be a lot of people out today. The meetup spot is right up ahead, and it's close to Brookfield Place Ferry, so that's always a plus. How you doing? There's no way that I'm the first person. Okay, there's somebody there. Looks like we are early. Oh, there's Billy. Billy on the C3 Strom. What's going on, Billy?
Hey, Erock.
How are you?
What's going on,
nice to see you.
The ride is definitely here today, right?
Yeah. Well, it said Battery Park, but it's closed, so.
I had a feeling that it was going to switch to Prospect Park. I don't know.
Oh, really?
I don't know if they switched it over here.
No, you have to take it. I go 55 miles an hour. I bet. Those are really nice, but I bet. Yeah, those seats ain't even registered. Sure, yeah.
You gotta take the bike path.
Listen, get off that train place here. On the right, we're gonna stop traffic. We're gonna stop traffic.
Thank you. Thank you. So we are moving. It looks like it was moved, the meetup spot. So I'm riding with these guys that I met at the Battery Park. So this is a mini group ride to the meetup location since it was changed. Oh shit, is it your phone? Good?
Yeah. How fast can you go?
50?
Huh?
50?
Yeah, okay.
Prospect Park is there, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can call someone.
Union Square. You went on Twitter?
On the Instagram, yeah.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Give you a location?
No, it just said Prospect Park. That's why I'm trying to call one of my buddies. Yo, bro. Are you at Prospect Park?
Yeah, somebody just found me and they're taking me to it. It's like in the middle.
In the middle?
I'll send you my location.
Okay, yeah, send me the location.
Alright, I'll do that right now.
Alright, thanks. Alright, so we are in Prospect Park trying to find this group ride start. And I didn't know how big Prospect Park is. It's a huge park. It's like Central Park of Brooklyn, basically. No, he just keeps going down. That's the thing.
So I wonder if they riding right now.
No, I mean, he's at almost at the end of the park, the bottom of the park.
Oh, okay.
That's where he is right now. So we just keep going. Is he here somewhere? Right over here. Wow. So here's everyone. Man, this is like a wild goose chase.
Oh, hey,
What's going on, bro? How are you?
Oh, yeah.
So Carlos,
I know somebody picked me up, and then I'm like,
we started all the way at the top. That's like of the park.
insane. Like,
Yeah, and then came all the way through.
how did you come in today?
Ferry.
Insane.
Oh yeah. But you came from your Highlands, right?
Fucking Pier, yeah.
Yeah.
Pier 11.
And then it was a hike to get over here to Brooklyn.
Yeah. Yeah. I wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
I literally, we got here just in time.
Yeah. And I have to dip early today, so.
Brought the Sadie with you.
Yeah. I knew I needed.
What bikes are left in the stable now?
I actually have more than I had before.
How did that happen?
More came in for review.
Getting them in faster than you can sell
Yeah,
them
yeah,
now.
basically. This guy I haven't seen all riding season. What's going on, bro?
I only come out once a year.
Nice to see you.
It is now.
Oh man. All right guys, so we just showed up to Prospect Park, the meetup spot that was moved from Battery Park, and it was a little hike. It took like 20 minutes to get down here. So yeah, this is the new meetup spot for the Saturday ride of the NYC MiniRide, and we're seeing who's showing up. I can only assume that the ride is going to be delayed a little bit, the start, because the change of location, but I guess we'll see. Anyways, glad that we could make it out. All right, so we're about to head out. This is the group right here. All right, this is the start of the ride. Leaving Prospect Park and starting the 2024 MiniRide, Ride 3. Super Talaria was able to come out today from Asbury, even though he just got in a car accident a couple days ago.
Hello.
Yo! Yeah, yeah. We got Carlos out today. I got the 360 running, so if you're by me, lift it up. There it is. Yeah, buddy. Very nice.
Next step, we'll be able to jump.
Nice.
I'm scared of doing that. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So we are outside on this mini ride. It was a little confusing because the ride start location changed last minute and it was a decent ride away. So we had to fly down here and we were a little late. Didn't get to do any interviews, no share your PEV interviews, and we got to dip early. So it's going to be a short ride today. Oh baby. Gonna be a lot of stunting, so keep an eye out for that on this ride. Just like that. Oh. Yeah, we got the Onyx out. We haven't ridden the Onyx since the beginning of the season. And I'm kind of spoiled with actually riding the Lyric Graffiti lately because it's so much lighter, and having to put this bike on the rack and ride it over and carry it up, and the handling is so much different than the Graffiti. So there are definitely pros to riding a lighter Class 3 e-bike versus a heavier bike like an Onyx, Surron, etc. But we got a lot of riders out today. Touring around Brooklyn. We're in Brooklyn. We're in one of my old buddies' neighborhoods. Peter, I used to ride with way back when I started the channel. He lives in Brooklyn now. I don't know where in Brooklyn, but shout out to him if he's watching this video. Yeah, I was saying before, I'm not used to riding the Onyx. I haven't ridden it in quite some time now. The Lyric Graffiti 2823 has been my main bike on most of the group rides and just when I'm riding around. Just because it's light and nimble and it gets the speeds that I really need just locally. But I felt like bringing out the Onyx today. Represent Onyx. This seems to be a pretty chill ride at the moment. I forgot how comfortable and stable this bike is though. That's one thing I do like. It is nice to have an active horn though, unlike the Graffiti. It's always very entertaining. Dang, this guy's bike is nice. I like the color scheme. It's very bright. There's a lot of traffic here. Oh, this is not good. Crazy, all surrons and Talarias, mostly surrons out today. I feel like an odd man out, to be honest, on the Onyx. Everywhere I turn, wheelies. So dope. So sick. It's Bob. Bob and his surron. I can see that outfit from a mile away. Hold up. Uh-oh, we got a fall. Uh-oh. Police. Not again. Oh, man.
A lot of stunt bikes out.
Yeah, a lot of stunt riders.
Yeah, I'm trying to be careful because
Yeah.
it's morbid.
Exactly. I'm trying to keep my distance but watch at the same time.
Right.
Mr. Styles. There's only a couple Onyxes out today. And one of the other ones is Gem City. I like your build. Looks cool. Okay, here we go. I want to get up here. Johnny Prime is out today on the Chimera. Oh baby, nice shot. Same bridge, different bike. Oh, everywhere I look, stunters, crazy. Probably gonna have to dip out soon. Yeah? I don't know if I've been recording this whole time or not. I've been just riding and enjoying the ride. But we're dipping off early. We gotta get back early. So we're navigating back. We're navigating from wherever we are. This is where MiniRide rides a lot. But we're riding over here and getting back to the ferry. That's the bridge, however you say that name. So we're gonna cut it here. We're gonna ride back, but we're gonna cut it here. So thanks for coming on this ride with us. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button, it really helps out the channel. And we'll catch you on the next ride. Alright guys, ride on.